A very good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of Medicaps University and Medicaps Innovation and Incubation Center, I, Professor Ramjanan Singh, welcome all of you in first quarter online meeting of IIC academic year 21-22. First of all, I am pleased to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. D.K. Patnaik, Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.K. Panda, Dean Agriculture, Dr. S.D. Upadhyay, our External Council Member, Dr. S.B. Nahatkar, Director, Institute of Agribusiness Management, Jabalpur, Mr. Nitish Bihani, CEO, Nascan Technology, Indore, and all the members of Medicus Innovation and Incubation Center. Now I invite MIIC in charge, Dr. Sarita Kansal, to continue this meeting.
Thank you, Ram sir. With your kind permission, Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, shall I start the meeting?
Please proceed.
Thank you so very much, sir.
सरिता, आपके नाम पे 2 लोग ज्वाइन किए हैं?
नहीं सर, मैंने मोबाइल से ज्वाइन कर रही थी, बट मैंने वो हटा दिया है सर, अभी नहीं है।
अभी भी है?
सर लेट मी चेक।
ओके, मैं रिमूव कर देता हूँ। ठीक है, करियर।
थैंक यू सर। So the agenda of the meeting, today's meeting, is overview of the activities conducted by MIIC in the previous.
Full screen कर लीजिए, full screen कर लीजिए।
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. वो एक्चुअली में सर मैं वाइस चांसलर हमारे पटनायक है।
So the agenda of the today's meeting is to overview of the previous academic year IIC activities, and then we are going to discuss about the current academic year Q1 meetings, and then we are going to just a minute. जठार सर, आप शेयरिंग या तो बंद कर दीजिए। So overview of the activities conducted by MIIC in the previous academic year. Activity proposed by IIC for the first quarter of current academic year. Activities selected by MIIC for the first quarter. Implementation of NISP in the university. Initiative taken by MIIC. Any other agenda may be discussed with the permission of the session chair. First of all, we will see the activities which we have conducted in the previous year academic calendar, which started in the July 2020 and went to up to June 2021. So in the first quarter, we started with the event ARAM. In the Q1, we have conducted the 3 events under ARAM 1. It was named as ARAM 2020, which started in September 19 and lead up to 20th September, in which 3 activities we have conducted: ARAM 2020, the webinar, a talk on innovation and entrepreneurship. Then there is a competition with CSS with pen and the hackathon. Then we have started with Q2. In the Q2, that lead from October to December 2020. In Q2, we have various activity. It started with Lean, which was the workshop conducted by Mr. Professor Ramjanan Singh sir. Then there is a marketing of innovation. This speech was by Mr. Amitesh Kumar Masi. Then my story, it was a motivational session by a successful innovator, which was conducted by one of our alumni, Mr. Varun Raheja. Then we have the ideation competition in Q2, which was conducted for 15 days, from December 15 to 31st December 2020. In Q2, we also had a talk by Dr. Vibha Tiwari and Dr. Nilesh Sahu, which was based on call for paper writing and research report on innovation. Then we moved to Q3 in the previous academic year, and in the Q3 we have conducted the series of events which started with how to start a service-based business with zero investment, This talk is also conducted by one of our alumni, Mr. Akshat Barani. Then principle of effectuation, it was taken by Professor Ram Janam Singh sir. Then current market scenario. This talk is one of our faculty member from the MCA department is Professor G.K. Sharma sir. Then idea generation thought process by Mr. Saurabh Dillon. Then we moved to quarter 4. In quarter 3, we also had a panel discussion on Atmanirbhar Bharat. In this, the series of speakers have taken the participation and they have discussed that how we can go for the mission of vocal for local, make in India, and how we can lead to Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is the mission of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. And after this activities, we move to quarter 4 activities. And in quarter 4, in the quarter 3, we have Blue Ocean Strategy, Circular Economy, Novel Approach of Business, webinar on IPR, which was conducted by Advocate B. Ritika Reddy, then Design Thinking. This is one of the webinar. The business model, which was took by the mechanical professor, Mr. Kiran Vibrekar. Then we move ahead with the quarter 4, which lying between April to June 2021. In this, there was the MIC driven activity as well. In this, the PhD thesis and master thesis can be converted into the startup, which was taken by Dr. Anand Deshpande, who is the founder, chairman, and managing director of Persistent System. Then why intellectual property is important in academia? This was taken by Dr. Abhay Jeve, who is the Innovation Chief Officer of MHRD. Then orientation on innovation, it was also taking place in quarter 4. Then webinar on venture capital, it was taken by Professor G.K. Sharma of MBA department. Then this continue with the quarter 4, we have another events of Essentials of Entrepreneurial University and Academic Entrepreneurship. It was conducted by MIIC and taken by Mr. Deepan Sahu, who is the Assistant Innovation Director. Then expert talk on intellectual property right by Dr. Salja Patil, who is the innovation investor as well. In the quarter 4, we have many more activities, that interactive session with the founder of successful startup of Medicaps University. This was the part of celebrating the World Entrepreneurship Day. Then orientation session on innovation ambassador. This was conducted by one of our student member. Then product fit for market, it was taken by Dr. Lalit Dubey from Acropolis. Then in the quarter 4, there are the mini events which were also conducted by the other departments. And now we are moving ahead with the proposed activity of the current academic year, which is proposed by the IIC. As IIC given the guideline, there is a total 7 events which was prescribed in their activities list. From that, we have to choose the 3 numbers of activities. And from this proposed activity, we have taken the 3 activities, which includes the My Story motivational session by successful innovators. Then another event we have proposed in this quarter 1 is My Story by motivational session by successful entrepreneur or startup founder. And one activity which will be session on problem solving and ideation workshop. So these 3 events we are planning in the month of November. Jethar sir. So in the quarter 1, we are going to have these 3 activities, which I have already told you. The first area of this activity is the inspiration, motivational and ideation. And the tentative date we have decided for these activities is 2nd week of November, 3rd week and the 4th week. As this quarter is defined only for October to November, so we are running short of time and we have to plan one event in each week. Then the implementation of NISP in the university. NISP policy is the National Innovation and Startup Policy, which is released by the NHRD in the year 2019. We refer that NISP policy and we have framed our own NIIC policy. It is already uploaded on the website of university as well as in NIIC. And now we are planning to implement that policy and executing that policy. Now, I would like to highlight here the initiatives and the actions taken by the NIIC. We are following the strictly IIC calendar, the activities which are prescribed in the calendar on the regular basis. Another achievements we have received is that we are as a funded member declared by the IIC, conducted many events in the campus to create innovation and entrepreneurship in the campus for the stakeholders. Many idea presentations we are conducting on the regular basis. Currently, 3 startups are incubated under NIIC. Few startups are on the idea stage. 2 projects are running with the Association of Electronics Engineering Department. Got the approval and budget is sanctioned for electric vehicle, which will be designed and fabricated by the students of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering Department. So with this brief about the academic calendars and the activities which we are doing in our campus, we want the suggestions and their valuable comments to uplift, to create the awareness, to promote more number of students to go for the innovation and startup in the campus. I welcome Professor S.B. Nahatkar sir to give his view and valuable comments. Professor Nahatkar sir, please.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
We are running an incubation center in our university, which is funded by the Ministry of Agriculture, the RKVY scheme. So far, we have already given the grant in aid to the 20 startups. All Raija is among one of our startups, is your alumni. So I have seen your program for this year, 2022. Some sessions must be organized for the identification of problems. What problems need solution? The identification of problem is necessary to develop an idea about. That is one or 2 sessions conducted on the identification of the problem. How to identify the problem? What are the real problems of the farming community or maybe?
स्लाइड शेयरिंग बंद कर दीजिए. स्लाइड शेयरिंग बंद कर दीजिए.
Okay.
Because many students don't know the problem and they start working on their ideas without knowing the problem, actual problem, real problem. What are the problems? Then what type of financial help we can provide to the students? That may be in grant in aid, because many schemes are there, government schemes are there. We can provide that, so that we are providing the grant in aid to the startup, the Ministry of Agriculture. Many such schemes are there. You can take the help of these schemes or giving the financial help or developing prototype or minimum viable product. These are my suggestions. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, sir. So definitely we will try our best to take your suggestions and try to implement it. Now I welcome Mr. Nishit Tayani, who is the CEO of National Technology, to give your valuable suggestions how we can develop culture in the campus and how we can promote more number of students.
Good morning, everyone. My suggestion is like that is we make a pool of 2 or 3 members which are already in our council members. 2 or 3 members who can make a pool of alumni who are interested in seed funding. Basically, when we promote students do an innovation or
निशित
something
आपकी
like
आवाज
that, then
ब्रेक हो रही है निशित.
आवाज कुछ
Your
ब्रेक हो रही है,
voice is breaking.
नेट
not
का
getting-
प्रॉब्लम, इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम,
maybe network issue. I think it should not be there.
ब्रेक हो रही
Just hold
सर.
on. Just hold on. मैं speaker change. हेलो
हाँ निशित.
मैम, अभी आई आवाज clear?
हाँ अभी बेटर है. आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए. जी.
Okay. So ma'am, my suggestion is that if we make a pool of 2 or 3 members who will join our alumni who are ready for seed funding, something like that. Because
अभी भी
our
प्रॉब्लम आ रही है,
engineers,
अभी भी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है आपकी.
ब्रेक हो रही है आवाज.
समझ में
निशित
नहीं आ
आपको
रहा.
वापस से कॉल करती हूँ. थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इशू देखिए आप एक बार अपने end पे.
ठीक
शायद
है,
कुछ
ठीक है.
दिक्कत है. Then I will call you again. है ना?
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay.
So now I welcome Professor Sunil Upadhyay sir to give your comments, sir, your suggestions.
Okay, thank you, madam. Madam, you have given a couple of activities and that milestone is there. Okay, so what I am suggesting that next time, what is the impact of these activities? That must be that must be seen in your presentation. So a series of activities are there, milestone you are given, but what is the impact of that activities? Okay, because that primary mandate is to encourage, inspire and nurture young scientists by young students, maybe by supporting them to work with new ideas and transform them into a prototypes, as already mentioned by Dr. Nahatkar. So that to foster the culture of innovation, it is the main objective of our this particular cell. So mandate to work closely and encourage the creative energy of the students. So that you have given a very a series of activities, but what is the impact of that activities? That must be reflected in their presentation. And in this direction, we can work together and we can take the help of Dr. Nahatkar. He's a very versatile person. He's a very renowned person as far as the innovation and incubation is concerned. So our experts are there. So we can take help of these experts and we can formulate some programs also, especially for our students. And we can have a collaborative programs. We have mechanical department, we have computer science, we have electricals and electronics, and we have IT department, and we have agriculture, and even pharmacy is there. So the main objective of the this particular cell, and okay, so it is to encourage our students, and the activities are there, but impact is not. Impact is missing. What is the impact of these activities? That must be reflected. Thank you.
Ji, sir. Definitely. From next time, we will take care of this. And in fact, it's very rightly said, sir. For every event, the impact should be mentioned and should be highlighted. So we will take care of this from the next time onwards. So thank you so very much, sir. Now I would like to invite Professor Honorable, our Pro Vice Chancellor, sir, Professor Devendra Kumar Panda, sir. Sir, please, sir, your kind words are always motivate us to do something new, something innovative.
Sarita,
Yes, sir.
as per our agenda points,
Yes,
please
sir.
go to the agenda points.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Share your screen and go to the agenda points.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Agenda, the overview of activity, implementation of NIS SP in the university. वो पेज कहाँ है?
जी सर.
आप क्या है कि एजेंडा पॉइंट को लिखो, उसके नीचे एक्टिविटी क्या हुआ है उसका नीचे सारे ये जो आपने इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ लिखा है ना,
हाँ सर,
इसको लिखो एजेंडा पॉइंट इतना और उसका वैल्यू दो, फिर उसके बाद आप हेडिंग लिख दो. एजेंडा नहीं, दिस इज नॉट द
सर
एजेंडा।
मैं उस स्लाइड में आ रही हूँ सर जो आप कह रहे हैं।
नहीं, आप नीचे एजेंडा लिख दिए।
सर दिस इज पहला, ये हमारा एजेंडा का पेज है
हाँ,
और हर पॉइंट के हिसाब से हमने स्लाइड्स बनाई
ये तो
हैं।
एजेंडा है। आपने
सर।
जो स्लाइड में एजेंडा रखना चाहिए कि एजेंडा पॉइंट।
Got it, sir. Got it. मतलब it should, the top title of that slide should be the agenda of
यहाँ
that.
पे 1 2 3 करके लिखना है।
जी।
एजेंडा 1 2 3, नहीं तो सिर्फ 1 2 3 4 ऐसे लिखना है। फिर वहां पे आप 1 2 करके कहाँ से कौन सा एजेंडा का क्या जो आपका डिस्कशन हो कर रहे हो वो सारे पॉइंट लिखो, ठीक है।
जी सर।
और एक स्क्रीन क्यों ये हो रहा है, आपका लैपटॉप का प्रॉब्लम?
ब्लिंक हो रहा है कुछ।
सर कुछ डेस्कटॉप का इशू है सर, शायद इसलिए हो रहा है। जथार सर आप शेयर कीजिए।
हाँ मैं करता हूँ इधर से।
हाँ, ये दूसरा पॉइंट है कि हमारा जो अभी 2-3 पॉइंट हमने डिस्कशन करके फाइनल किया था, जो हमारा न्यू केबिन का एक रेट फाइनल किया है, कुछ किया है, वो आपका एजेंडा पॉइंट पे रख लीजिए, उसको भी इनकॉर्पोरेट कर देना। रेटिफिकेशन में हम पहले ये आपका जो काउंसिल तो डिस्कशन होना चाहिए वो पॉइंट को, क्योंकि वो भी आपका सारे अप्रूव हुआ है, जो अप्रूव किया है ये बीसी साहब ने किए हैं, तो वो हमारा ये कमिटी यहीं पे कर लीजिए।
बिल्कुल, इट शुड बी कम ऑन द स्लाइड।
हाँ, वो आपका जो आईएससी पे कमिटी की मीटिंग में उसको इंक्लूड कर दी।
जी सर डेफिनेटली मैं उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लूंगा।
हाँ, और जो चीजें आपने सारे अप्रूवल लिए हो,
जी सर,
वो सारे पॉइंट को इंक्लूड कर देना।
जी सर।
हमने जो नया चीजें डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि नया मेंबर किसी को लिया, सारे चीजें वो उनका यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि इंक्लूड होगा हमारे मिनट्स में।
बिल्कुल।
कोई हमने अभी नया मेंबर्स लिए हैं?
हाँ सर, अभी नई मेंबर आई है।
इंडक्टेड मेंबर पे अभी नया जो पिछले जो कमिटी था, अभी उस कमिटी इस कमिटी में नया मेंबर कुछ आए हैं।
जी सर अभी एग्रीकल्चर से नए मेंबर एसोसिएट हुए हैं, डॉक्टर बनीता राठौर।
उनका आपका एजेंडा पॉइंट पे एक लास्ट में लगता है वेलकमिंग ऑफ न्यू मेंबर्स।
जी बिल्कुल।
तो जो है उनका नाम बता दीजिए, कौन कौन न्यू मेंबर है। अपने वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए।
सर एक्चुअली कैमरा नहीं है इसमें, तो इसलिए मैं नहीं ऑन कर पा रही हूँ।
कौन?
एक्चुअली मेरे डेस्कटॉप में कैमरा नहीं है सर, इसलिए
नहीं, मैं जो न्यू मेंबर है उनको
ओके।
अब तो फिर मोबाइल पे ज्वाइन कर लो।
जी सर मैं मोबाइल से करती हूँ।
नहीं, न्यू मेंबर जो सर कह रहे हैं, न्यू मेंबर को अपना मोबाइल या कैमरा ऑन करके यहाँ पे वेलकम कर लीजिए, सो दैट अदर मेंबर्स कैन आल्सो सी देम एंड इट विल बी एन इंट्रोडक्शन टू ऑल ऑफ अस।
जी।
तो सारे यहीं पे मेंबर हैं, न्यू मेंबर्स यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है।
हाँ सर, एक है सफदर सरदार सर।
उनको कहिए अपना कैमरा ऑन करें और इंट्रोडक्शन दें।
सफदर सरदार,
अपना कैमरा ऑन करें।
सर
आप अभी शेयरिंग बंद कर ले।
यस,
आप सरिता आप अपना मोबाइल से ज्वाइन कर ले।
जी सर।
एक बार सारे मेंबर अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए।
यस।
नास्कॉम टेक्नोलॉजी हाँ या ओके सभी अपना वीडियो ऑन करके रख लीजिए 2 मिनट के लिए प्लीज। निशित बियानी, ओके। सो any more question discussion from other members? If any discussion करना चाहते हैं कोई पॉइंट को?
Sir, we would like to hear from Mr. Nishit Bayani.
Yeah.
का इशू हो गया था. निशित, are you comfortable?
निशित,
और सर शायद उनको
My voice is audible now.
yeah,
Yes.
very much audible.
Yes, ma'am. My suggestion is just like that. If we make a 2 or 3 member council members group, which will analyze the innovative ideas which are coming from our students, because prima facie what we are getting in the field is that the engineers have the idea, but they do not have the funds to execute it, because nobody, no VC, no seed funders provided the fund on idea basis. They generally do the funding after a completion of 6 or 8 months of a successful trial of a particular startup idea. Generally, so the initial funding. So my suggestion is that if we make a pool of alumni members who are ready to do some seed funding with a bracket limit of a few thousand rupees or whatever it will be they want to, and the council members or 2 or 3 council members, they will work on and they will project accordingly to the alumni pool members. Like if there is a mechanical startup, any company who is doing a mechanical work, or electrical startup, any company which is doing electrical work, which are ready to furnish that idea. So we can do that also, so that it will encourage our students to go for more on startup basis and entrepreneurship basis, because after once they will get the startup funding, seed funding from any alumni, and that prototype will get successful, after that council members will do a funding criteria with venture catalyst or venture capitals or seed funding or something like that. So that's my suggestion, if it can happen. That just a prima facie suggestion. I'm not सक्सेसफुली से दैट इट विल वर्क इट आउट और नॉट. मतलब ये मेरा एक सोचने का नजरिया है कि अगर हम उस तरह से करें जिससे कि जो इंजीनियर्स को फंड्स के इश्यूज आते हैं, क्योंकि एट द टाइम ऑफ इनिशियल आइडियाज वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर आइडिया रहता है, मतलब जो कि इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ रहता है. उस वजह से मैं बोलने की सोच रहा था कि अगर ऐसा हम कुछ ग्रुप बनाए, पूल ग्रुप बनाए, जिसके अंदर जो हमारे एल्यूमनाई मेंबर्स ही हैं जो रेडी हो कुछ लोगों को सीड फंडिंग करने के लिए, क्योंकि देयर आर कंपनीज व्हिच आर डूइंग सीड फंडिंग्स आल्सो एंड जेवी और वीसीज आल्सो, बट वो इनिशियल स्टेज, आइडिया स्टेज के ऊपर फंडिंग नहीं करती है. तो अगर हमें उस बेसिस के ऊपर अगर हम कुछ कर सकें, एवरी क्वार्टर जो भी आइडियाज आते हैं वो हमें कोई मीटिंग करके जो भी एल्यूमिनाई पूल बनेगा उनको एक बार प्रोजेक्ट प्रेजेंटेशन को प्रेजेंट करें, एंड इफ दे आर रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट इन दैट, तो वो एक तरीके से आपको ज्यादा आइडियाज को फर्निश करने का मौका मिल सकता है. दैट्स माय सजेशन. मे बी इट वर्क और मे बी इट नॉट.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Nishit. We will definitely think over your suggestion. So any MIIC members would like to give any suggestion or they have any comments?
Can you introduce the new members?
Sir,
You
Vinita,
read the new member.
Okay, sir, there is a Priti Yadav. Madam Priti Yadav, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. This is Preeti Yadav from the Electrical Engineering Department, Assistant Professor Preeti Yadav. And this is my opportunity that I am working with this cell. And I have gone through all the activities that was held in the last session, and we are working on the many more. And that was my all contribution towards this cell. And I am contributing with one magazine that we are working on, so that the student can be get affected by the this cell, and they will there are much more information in the market and in the new era of the technologies. So students should get all the information how that one startup can be formed, how the idea generation can be formed. So students must get it from the first year term. So that's why we are working on the magazine also. So most probably after 1 month, we will be having that magazine. Ourselves will launch that if the conditions will be good. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Preeti ma'am. Neha Toshniwal. Madam Neha Toshniwal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Neha Toshniwal, working with Medicaps University, even with MIIC cell from last 1 month, last 1 or 2 months.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ajay Sinha, Mr. Ajay Sinha.
A very good afternoon to all. Am I clearly audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. My name is Ajay Sinha. I'm working in civil engineering department as an assistant professor, and I have joined MIIC in this year also in mid this year. And after joining the MIIC, ma'am have nominated our new members to the Innovation Ambassador training. So we have completed that training, and from that training we have learned a lot, so that with the help of the department and with the help of our HOD, Dr. Shweta Rathi ma'am, we have started 2 projects under the civil engineering department. Due to the bad health, Shweta ma'am is not coming from 1 week, but we have getting progress in that project also. And in various webinars have conducted under MISC, and we have learned a lot from that. And in future we are designing some projects for Medicaps University, and we try to get patent of that project also. So thank you very much for all the members to incorporate us from in MISC, and thank you very much.
Mr. Sardar Khan.
Good afternoon all. Here Sardar Khan, and I am assistant professor in computer science department. And right now I am in the from last 2 months I am a member of MIIC, and I represent the content or the PDF or PPTs delivered sent by the madam to all the students of second year, third year, or final year students regarding the entrepreneurship or startup or entrepreneur, or these all contents I delivered between the students. And so many students are come with us and propose their ideas and send their ideas, and we just rectify new ideas and send to the madam within a week. This all from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much.
Due to some reason, Madam Vinita Rathore have not joined the meeting. So I think that's all. All new members have introduced themselves. Any other point we can discuss with the permission of the chair?
Yeah, proceed. Any point if any member?
Yes. Anyone?
मेरा एक सजेशन था, I have one suggestion.
जी
कि
सर.
अगली मीटिंग में एजेंडा आइटम एडवांस में सर्कुलेट कर दें मेंबर्स को,
जी सर.
जिससे कि हम डिस्कस पहले से पढ़ ले उसको, क्या
ज्यादा
बहुत ज्यादा इनपुट दे सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Well taken, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Any other point?
मैम मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट था, एक सजेशन, मतलब काउंसिल को लेके नहीं था. कैन काउंसिल अमेंड द करिकुलम ऑफ पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट लाइन अगर चाहे तो? As an alumni, you can suggest the curriculum, any modification to the curriculum. So okay, that will be come to our board of studies, and then it is going to the academic council. Then
Alumni are involved in this the curriculum design.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah.
Any other point? Anybody would like to come? So I think there is no more other point right now. So I would like now invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. D.K. Patnaik, sir, for the closing remark.
Thank
Sir,
you.
please.
Thank you, madam. Yeah, respected Dr. Nataka and Mr. Nishit, my all the fellow colleagues and the member of this council IIC. I'm really happy that you people are doing a wonderful job, very good job. And all the suggestions what has been delivered by the members, outside members, like 2-3 important points. And what I request to Dr. Sarita, you please include in your minutes all the suggestions. The first suggestions is very important that the agenda must be circulated at least 1 week before, so that every member can get sufficient time to go through that. And when they are present here, they can meaningfully participate in this discussion. This is one. And I appreciate also the suggestion of Dr. Upadhyaya. So what is being doing is a good thing, but assessing is a better thing. So unless you assess it, so that means the outcome, what is exactly how much fathom we have covered and what are the steps there to be covered, that we must know. Otherwise, we are doing so much things, and if it is not reaching to the getting the objective or to this end user, so our efforts are not properly utilized. And the third thing, it is also important, Dr. Panda also advised that whenever we are preparing an agenda, you put down a number of the agenda, and that's uniqueness, and whatever the discussion is there under that agenda, so that a chronology can be maintained, a sequence can be maintained. Whenever you have discussed, you can do that. And Mr. Nishit has given a very good suggestion, and that I really appreciate. Two good suggestions. One suggestion is that if starting for any sort of efforts or any startups, we need to give some sort of moral and financial and other logistic supports to a particular innovator. Otherwise, all his enthusiasm is being diluted and dispersed, and at the end of the day, he is left with some little frustration. And बाद में वो कहते हैं ये entrepreneurship करना, innovation करना बहुत मुश्किल बात है. But these things, if we can support them, at least it might be a small things. And Mr. Nishit, I'm very happy with this. And you must be knowing that on this 20th of November, we are conducting one alumni meet. And I'm really looking forward to meet you there on that day. And your suggestion is that to collect a seed money for this from the alumni, welcome. Welcome. And I take this suggestion very positively. And I will request my alumni friend and alumni association also. We can create a fund there, and first fund generation movement we can start from this alumni. That's a very noble thing. And second thing also, I really like the suggestion. If the alumni is coming forward for the curriculum development, what better thing could be this? इसमें अच्छी चीज और क्या हो सकती है? Because you have passed through this process. And you have now facing the challenge of the society. You know what is the gap area, and you know that you are very much concerned that your alma mater must not face the same problem what you have encountered. So we must learn from the mistakes, and the alumni are coming forward for this. It is the most welcoming the effort. I really, Mr. Nishit, please accept my appreciation for this.
Thank you.
So what Professor Panda also told, that we have from this year onward, we have managed, they kept one seat also for that an expert, that any alumni, we are inviting alumni on that subject area to take part in the board of studies. They can design, they can say that this had to be this incorporated. So these suggestions shall be well taken, and we will put it into the academic council accordingly. So thank you very much for that. And all the new members, what they have also said their experience, this is very thrilling. Some is from one month, somewhat couple of months. Especially, I was really excited to see And here, Preeti, that they are coming up with this one souvenir or one set of journal. That's good. So again, to coming to the end of this, I can wind up by saying this: you people are doing a good thing, but let's see it. Hope how can do it better, and with an organized things, we can reach the goal here. Thank you very much, and thank you all the participants. All my best wishes, and Nisit and all the alumni. We are looking forward to see you here.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely.
That's great. That's great. That's great. And Professor Natagar, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would request here everybody to please switch on your video so that we can click one photograph for this Q1 meeting. So everybody is requested to switch on your videos. Jathar sir, kindly do the next.
Yeah.
In grid mode, you just put all should come in a single screen.
Yeah, this is all are here. Some are little reluctant and hesitant. Don't worry, you all look very good for photogenic. Switch on your video.
Full screen. Just 1 minute more. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you all.
And
for your...
all my compliments to the ISA team. And especially the thanks to Dr. Natagar.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.